Alright. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Today, guys, we're going to talk about a topic that a lot of you ask and research for. And obviously, I'm that guy for this. So let's go straight into it. How to work out every day and never give up. And the most important is not work out every day, is never give up. Because if I give you the best workout, even if I give you the greatest workout of all time, if you don't do it, or you do it one time in a month, 1 week you feel like it, 1 week you don't feel like it, you won't make any progress. Because training is a compounding things. It's better to do 10 years of medium workout than doing 1 year of hard work. Doesn't mean anything. Even hard work around adapt you would last for 1 year. So let me tell you, before we go straight to how to work out every day, we need to use our mind and think why we are giving up on this. Why I can't stick to my routine, my workout routine. Because this is something that I've been asked a lot. Like, okay, I have a workout, I have everything, but I can't stick to it. I lack consistency. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you how. So why do you give up? Most of the reason that 99% of people have is too intense, too stressful, so perhaps overwhelmed. When is the first time you've been training? When you're training for the first time and you just killing your body like hard work. And your body the next day just like freezing, paralyzed. Because you didn't give him the good amount of stress that he needs. You overwhelm your body. So perhaps he's reacting really bad. You give him too much cortisol, the stress hormone, that he cannot handle. So obviously, he won't function very well. He won't react very well to it. What you need to do is using adaptation, because the body is an adaptation machine. It's a smart machine that adapts a lot of what you give him. But what you give him needs to be handled by him. You cannot give more to him before you start to slowly increasing the intensity. So let me tell you. Now we have the why we give up. Now how to work out every day. This is the opposite effect. How to work out every day. You need to, and this is what I talk a lot, but some of you don't understand. Like clearly don't understand about it. And think that I'm just, saying some bullshit. But this is what I've used too. And I've been training for a decade. So listen to this. Consistency is more important than intensity. Because you cannot build a real intensity if you're not consistent. It's impossible. I mean, you could train like one time hard, but will you train 1 week hard? Adapt the body. So what you need to focus on is consistency. Low intensity workouts. First of all, you start by low intensity but frequent workouts, like 7 days a week or 6 days a week or 5 days a week, okay? But keep like during the week. So, or 5 days a week, let's say. You rest on the weekend, 2 days, full rest, come back later, better, okay? So what you need to do is focus on consistency and low intensity. Once you master this, you want to do on consistency, short intensity, high intensity. Even a 20-minute workout, 10-minute workout, if it's intense, it's much better than the 1 hour workout, hard work, when you not have been training your whole life. So, because you're gonna allow your body to adapt to the stress, and he will create dopamine to the stress, which means that you will feel so good after the workout. You will not feel like tired as fuck, like you wanna die. So first of all, consistency, so frequency coupled with low intensity. Second, frequency coupled with short intensity. Okay? Now you add frequency coupled with medium intensity. And then obviously with hard intensity. You use this on the time frame on 1 year. Why 1 year? Because we need to build a strong habits. There is 12 months in a year. The first 3 months, what you will focus on only is full frequency and low intensity. The full 3 months. Because you need to build the habits. 90 days to build a freestyle, a lifestyle of it. So I want you to do the 90 days. And then 3 to 6 months, you have frequency coupled with medium training. So it's like short and intense, 20 minutes, 30 minutes maximum. 6 to 9, you got medium intensity, so slightly higher, medium and longer workout. Okay, we want to do like a longer workout. And then what you need to have at the 9th to 12th months is, so it's frequency obviously, because you master the frequency now, high intensity, and perfect time of workout. The perfect time of workout is between 45 minutes to 1 hour and a half. Maximum. 1 hour and a half is the legs. Basically, the legs is when you take a lot of time, because obviously you are working a whole part of the body. You know, you're doing like a full lower body. So that's why legs needs some kind of time investing, in time for this. So that's why. But however, when you go far away, when I hear people saying, yeah, I'm working out for 2 hours now, 3 hours, sometimes 5 hours in the gym. First of all, I'm asking, what the fuck are you doing in the gym for 4 hours? Like, I don't understand. Like what? This is a flex? You look like a skinny guy. What? Flex about what? About wasting time. I do between 45 minutes to 1 hour and a half. Depend on the session, obviously. But the legs, I take more time in the legs. Obviously, because it's a whole part of the body. So, think about it next time you want to train and you don't want to lose the motivation for life. Because I'm teaching you how to build basics, foundation for the whole life. I'm not teaching you how the best workout to do in 1 week. No. I want you guys to train for your whole life. Because then, when you have the frequency, you can switch your goal to everything. You can be a powerlifter if you want, a bodybuilder, an athlete, a crossfitter, everything that you want. Because if you have the basics, I want you to master the basics of consistency. Consistency coupled with intensity. Because the best to have is you're consistent and you do the hard work. This is what I'm at right now. I'm doing hard session and 5 days a week, 6 days a week. No problem. I go on a Monday like easy. On Sunday I'm like, I want this is the I'm hurried to be in the Monday, you know, because my body is like drugging himself, let's say, because I knew how to increase the intensity to his capabilities. This is very, very good to understand your own body, and you will only know your own body through hard things. But you need to build these hard things. So remember, guys, frequency, consistency, always first. This is the reason why you're always giving up. Because you're thinking about intensity over consistency at the beginning. At the beginning, you want to have consistency. And then we build on it. But first, we need you to focus on consistency. And then life is going to be good. 10 years later, you're going to look like a monster, obviously. So yeah, guys, here's the things. Now that you know that intensity is not the problem, but your consistency, your lack of consistency is the problem. So, guys, I hope you love this video. I was straight to the point, went to it, so I hope you love it. So tell me if you like 5-minute video, 10-minute video, or 20-minute video. Like 20-minute video will be like for more global subjects, like more intense subject. But this is like straight to the point, all right? So I hope you love it, guys. Subscribe, like, comment and tell me, what did you think? I want to have some feedback, guys. And I'm here for the long term. I'm about to blow up, and I'm telling you, in this 22 video of my channel, I'm here to blow up, and I'm here to run on the YouTube game. That's your boys, Rian.